We are all fully aware of Ford's global performance Focus RS that is finally coming to the United States toward the end of this year. The RS will have plenty of upgraded styling, including this totally new front fascia and grille, exposing the massive intercooler that will help the new twin-scroll turbochargers cool off. The classic RS spoiler will be added to the back, and dual exhaust will be the outlets for the cracks and pops previous RS models have been known for. On the interior, these RS-specific Recaro seats are going to be more heavily bolstered than even the most extreme from the ST. The instrument panel will essentially stay the same, but the highlight would definitely be the seats. The RS takes it to an all-new unexplored territory for Ford by giving it the all-wheel drive system. This, along with 345 horsepower and 324 pounds-feet of torque, make it a direct competitor to the WRX STI, the Golf R, Evo, and if you really want to stretch, we could go with the Audi S3. Ford is using the same 2-liter Turbo 4 from the Mustang EcoBoost, but they have upgraded the turbo, the intake, exhaust, and radiator. Torque can also be boosted up to 347 pounds-feet for 15 seconds, and the only way it will be offered is in a 6-speed manual. 0 to 60 times have not been released yet, but I think we can safely assume it will be under 5 seconds. If I were to take a guess, I'd say around 4.6. What has not been released yet is how much this legendary car is going to cost. I've seen estimates of up to $45,000, but I really think that would be absurd and out of the price range of the enthusiasts who are most interested in the RS. If it's priced around $34,000, starting in the US, it will definitely be my next car, and many others who are tired of the STI and now deceased Evo. Thanks for watching, and be sure to put your comments below to be entered into a drawing for some prizes on July 31st.
We at the party, you know us when we roll up. Don't get it twisted, just let me take control. So grab a drink and follow me to the